The Department of Homeland Security's top lawyer sent out a memo recently telling immigration lawyers to get tougher on attorneys accused of filing fake asylum claims. This is part of a bigger push to speed up deportations and challenge the system that helps immigrants. The memo basically says ICE lawyers should create policies for strong enforcement against lawyers who are helping people file fraudulent asylum cases. This directive doesn't create new penalties, but it means ICE lawyers will use existing tools more often. They're not just going after migrants with fake applications, but also the lawyers representing them. The memo claims that fraud is rampant in immigration court, and that lawyers are making it a standard practice to argue that almost every undocumented person faces persecution back home. The right to seek asylum is broad, but you have to prove you qualify, usually by showing a well-founded fear of persecution. The law cited in the memo allows the government to go after people for immigration document fraud, including those who knowingly prepare or file false applications. Penalties can get steep, with fines up to $4,730 for a first offense per fraudulent document. For attorneys, a fraud finding could lead to disciplinary actions, potentially suspension, or even being kicked out of immigration court practice. In serious cases, criminal charges could be on the table. This isn't entirely new. There have been cases of lawyers being prosecuted for asylum fraud schemes in the past. But the memo points out that ICE hasn't been using these administrative tools as much as they could. It seems like they're now looking to use this as part of their immigration court strategy. This move also echoes a directive from the previous administration that targeted lawyers for bringing what they called frivolous lawsuits. Immigration lawyers and advocates are raising concerns, calling this a dangerous threat and a way to discourage legal challenges and asylum representation. That's your update from Dallas News Today, powered by AI.